ask them. They are waiting for the exhibit hall. Just to see the art. That's kind of crazy.
Makes sense. I love that.
Last time I was here, the showroom was when the lines were too big and nothing else to do.
Oh, right.
So it's crazy. This whole thing is a giant ass line now. God, see. What else they got going on here?
I mean, there's a whole bunch of stuff to look for.
A whole bunch of stuff.
Looking for main stage?
Yeah, I mean, we're just walking around technically.
So this is the line for premium for main stage. So on the other side is going to be the general line. And then it's open here. Not yet.
So nothing's open yet?
Not yet. It starts at 2. Art open up at 1:15.
Yeah, that's the main stage.
I didn't know yet. Oh, actually, why not my camera?
I just want to sit next to you and I'm not screwing from you.
I'm not trying to scoop. I'm trying to make sure you're in the frame.
I kicked you with my hand, but I blow you up, bro. Yeah.
I'm still alive?
Oh, there's another round.
I keep jumping.
Just hit him.
Bougie ass to Rodale, win and let her pick up whatever she want. 60 Gucci hippo, take her whatever she want. She pissed me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about her nails, I'm trying to nail her ass at home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Maze, I made her tell me what she want. She on a power trip again. I know pussy power got me buying shit again. Friends ain't begging me, you must be lying to your friends. They don't want a piece, I wait the giants up again. Shining once again. Ran it up, I told her mama sliding my DMs. Now I'm right back.
Let's start the day well. Hopefully with a win this time.
Yeah. Beat him 8-2 yesterday.
Tekken is not my game, that's for sure. I'm gonna stick to Dragon Ball FighterZ and Smash. Or Brawl, actually.
Yeah.
Hopefully that correlates to Smash.
Yeah, you need to focus on your Dragon Ball Z. The other one's not your forte. Sorry, boo.
All I know is you better be training for the Tekken tournament next year.
I'll try my best. So I can get in there?
Yeah, that'd be clean.
Yeah, that would be clean.
Pull up to any flex and trust me.
So I see some lovely young ladies in the audience. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna come down. Yeah. Put your hand up.
Personally, may as well make a gym where the weekend and days. Always ready to dance to my feet. Beat, but till someone not give me sandy. Cause we like to party. Hey, hey. Cause we like to party. Hey, cause we like to. Obviously my fit going crazy. Gonna tell me press the fuck with my lady. You wanna she's with me, I'd advise you just carefully, boy. Don't you know you're speaking with an MVP? Not a button guessing unless you talk money. Talk money. Talk money. Talk. Nigga talk money. Talk money. Hey. Cause we like to play. Hey. We like to.
You can't even make this do the shiesty part.
Yes, I can.
You will.
You're not ready for this.
Give me yellow that. Oh, you can come up. Come on. Why not? You seem ready. Come on up. Smooth. Come on up. Smooth. Are you ready?
I'm finna get cooked.
Okay. Are you ready? Run the route. Your shoes too tight. That's a shaky, DJ? That's a shaky?
That's a shaky.
I think that was good. Yeah. We gonna
There's so many people laugh during that. What?
Come on.
You built like a lowercase I.
Oh my God.
You top heavy.
Oh my
Your
God.
drawers got a hem in them.
Oh shit.
You don't know if you hot or cold right now. You got a jacket and shorts on.
We're here.
Yeah.
We're vibing, having fun. Got to meet Krista. Got to meet Mari. I wish I got to meet Joe, Dante, and Rico in Berlin and all that. But, you know, maybe next year or at the ball. For sure.
For sure at the ball.
Yeah, for sure at the ball. Trying to get VIP tickets for that. DreamCon is officially over. Yep. Last day.
Ceremony just ended.
Yep.
Good day.
Didn't get to see it because the line was super long. You had to reserve.
For this ending ceremony, that's kind of
Yeah,
wild to me.
yeah. It is kind of wild, especially for my first time coming here. It's pretty fun. Yeah, I really liked it. Had a lot of good stuff to see. A lot of nice people to meet too. Some cool people. I would recommend coming. Like
You have
to come.
At least once in your life, you have to come to DreamCon. Especially if you this complexion, you have to come to DreamCon.
Yes, you have to. If you're black,
You have to come.
you have to come to DreamCon. You know, I'm gonna conclude my vlog here. I hope you guys have a good day. Have a good weekend. Alright, peace. Love you guys.
To them. If you have